guys.
You ready?
Yeah, we good?
Yeah, we good.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's go.
Japanese netizens' reactions to SB19 Mappa on the first take. SB19 has once again proven that they are a top-tier talent with their beautiful performance of Mappa on Japan's The First Take. No backtrack, no grand production, just pure raw, superb vocals and harmonization that is on another level. No wonder the Japanese netizens are shocked upon seeing our boys belting out after their rap in Gento. One Japanese netizen said, "Hindi, teka lang, ganon din kagaling kumanta ang mga lalaki sa Gento na sobrang galing mag-rap?" Kamakailan lang ay sinimulan kong tingnan ang mga taong ito. Ang kanilang performance ay parang Big Bang. Ang kanilang makapangyarihang pagkanta ay nagpapalala sa akin ng TVXQ at ang kanilang camaraderie ng grupo kahit papaano ay nagpapaalala sa akin ng Arashi. Talagang isa itong grupo na gusto kong makita pa sa hinaharap. Napaka-espesyal ng boses ni Ken at bagay sa anumang genre. It's interesting to see how Gento and Mappa have completely opposite songs and how the members have different expressions. The first song is tough and fun and the second song is really calm. But it's strange how the main characters of these two songs sound connected. Gaya ng astig niyan, si Gento ay Diyos. Sa tingin ko, ito ay magiging sikat din sa Japan. Sikat na ba ito sa ibang bansa? The feeling after singing was the best.